Integrating SendPulse email marketing with Facebook can help you streamline your marketing efforts and reach your audience across multiple channels. Here's a general guide on how to do it. If you haven't already, sign up for a SendPulse account. You'll need an active account to proceed with the integration. You can use the link in the description to try SendPulse. After log in to your SendPulse account, navigate to the Integrations section. Look for the Facebook integration option and follow the instructions to connect your Facebook account. This usually involves logging into your Facebook account and granting permissions for SendPulse to access certain features. Once your Facebook account is connected, you can sync your Facebook audiences with SendPulse. Choose the specific audiences you want to sync. These could be your Facebook page followers, custom audiences, or lookalike audiences. After syncing your audiences, you can create targeted email campaigns within SendPulse. Use the segmented Facebook audiences to send personalized email content to specific groups of subscribers. Utilize the synced Facebook audiences for retargeting ads on Facebook. Create Facebook ad campaigns targeting the synced audiences to reinforce your email marketing efforts. Monitor the performance of your integrated campaigns. Use SendPulse analytics tools to track email open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics. Similarly, monitor the performance of your Facebook ads through Facebook Ads Manager. Analyze the data from both SendPulse and Facebook to optimize your campaigns. Make adjustments based on the insights you gather to improve your overall marketing strategy. Remember to comply with both SendPulse and Facebook's policies and guidelines when integrating and utilizing their platforms for marketing purposes. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try SendPulse.